All right. All right. We just finished shooting in this small but glorious room. And I'm here with Damien and Deja. And we are about to head to the street to get some more snaps. And we got everything. So far, it's been a great day. We shot in this hallway with neon lights behind us. Shot in the bedroom, and now we're making our way to the street, get some snaps, and then we're gonna call it a wraps, because we're losing light. It's like 3:30, almost 4, and sunset in New York is like 4 o'clock, 4:30. It's so early.
Yeah.
I love winter, but that sucks. Yeah. And oh, view.
The view.
From our hotel. Here we go. Good. Yeah. All right.
Love the hat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everybody loves this hat.
It's
Yeah.
definitely an eye grabber.
It's warm too. It's key.
Looks warm.
Yeah. Others, we're getting some sun, some golden hour, I think. We're in,
This is a hotel. I stood in one around here called the AKA.
yeah.
Pretty dope because they're actually like apartments as well. You can stay in them.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
So they're laid out for studio.
Oh, nice.
So dope. Pretty cheap.
Yeah.
considering
Yeah.
the area.
Okay.
All right, now we're on the streets near World Trade Center, and we are going to find a spot to shoot this dope outfit she's got on. I'm thinking we do, like, maybe try and do a crosswalk shot. Like, have you jaunting across the crosswalk. We'll shoot at you as you walk across the crosswalk.
So have us on one side, her on the
Yeah,
other side?
yeah. All right, and so, yeah, probably shoot that way because cars
Either way.
coming at us. Yeah, which we'll see which perspective works best or looks best, but yeah, shoot that way. There's more city.
Shoot.
No,
facing-
her walking that one.
Oh, okay.
It's more city behind her, more. See what
Gotcha.
I mean?
Yeah.
A lot more buildings, wider, longer. This is short, interrupted, and all that. So yeah, so this is. So because wait, stay warm. Yeah. Let's get undressed. So because there's traffic, let me shut this off. So we can. We've been shooting in this intersection, stopping traffic, getting honked at, but I think we got some stuff in here. And now we're going to move to a less trafficy spot, and hopefully a safer spot, and take some more photos. Maybe down towards where that bus is, because this curve is trashy. Look at that. You know it's trash day in New York. Alright. And we're losing light, but we're gonna work with it. It's overcast, so the light is pretty flat, but it's working actually for us. And yeah, up at this curb I think we'll be good. Hit, Josh.
Yeah.
Architecture here is so awesome. All right.
Oh,
All right. Let's shoot here. Hi. So I was in New York taking photos. Just shot in the room. We moved down to the street. We get some street crossing photos. Everything's looking good. We move to the shot where I'm going to take photos of Deja stepping off a curb, get my settings right, losing light, and we're sort of trying to get as much done as possible. Getting a little rushed, take a bunch of photos, spot check them on the camera really quickly. Everything looks good. We move on to the new location, and this is what I get. You know, sometimes you are out shooting, you're in the moment, everything's going well. And, you know, I've shot hundreds of times now. Been in these scenarios many times. And you just don't really look at your settings, really understand sort of the situation you're in. And then, you know, you also don't really look at the details of what you've shot and sort of pixel peep. And I just initial blush when you're looking at on that small display in the back of the camera, looking at it through the eyepiece, you just don't, unless you zoom in, you don't see that small movement and that your settings are off. And it, you know, it's a reminder to myself. And I've, you know, done other blunders in the past, but literally I threw out, you know, 50 to 100 photos from a segment of the session because I did not take the time to really zoom in and just check and make sure everything was coming out sharp from the type of shot I was taking. But it's a lesson I've learned, hopefully. And, you know, I may do it again. You know, you're in the moment, you're shooting. It happens. Don't beat yourself up for it. Try and remember it for the next time and just move on. Back to the program. We are now walking around City Hall Park. Coming to the little parkway. Gonna get some photos. Park benches and stuff. Oh, if only these lit up instead of having bird nests in them.
Right?
You see that?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah. So, all right. Let's find the clean benches. Maybe these right here. Yep, behind you. All right. So we're gonna shoot here. Yeah. Give us the jacket. We'll take it. We're gonna shoot here in the park.
Oh, right on the head.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Here's the jacket.
Got it.
All right. And we'll be back. times I'm like, fuck it, just leave it in there.
God, like, these guys are fucking following me.
They are.
Oh wow.
They like you.
Yeah.
Are you wearing perfume? What is it?
I mean, yeah.
They like you.
Sheesh.
Yeah, they like that scent. So we wrapped up at, I think this is called City Hall Park. We are headed back to the hotel. It's a wrap with Deja. And it's been a fucking fantastic day. No sun, but that actually, I think that worked out for us. Yeah, we should walk on the sidewalk. This is New York. Oh my God, look at that bike. I've never seen
Oh, that's
that.
pretty cool.
It's like a suitcase carrier in front.
Storage compartment in the
Yeah.
front. The front wheel rack.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're heading back to the hotel, wrapping up the second shoot for the day, and this is it tonight. I don't know what we're gonna get into.
Thanksgiving Eve.
Yeah, Thanksgiving Eve,
Oh, right.
biggest bar night of the year,
That's what
but
I'm saying.
who knows what we'll be doing? Maybe we'll be drinking, maybe we'll be shooting.
We'll be drinking.
Maybe
And
we'll
shooting.
be drinking and shooting. But, and then we're going to try and hit the Macy's Day Parade tomorrow. Or at least do a drive-by to the Macy's Day Parade. And Wednesday is or Thursday is our last day here, and then we fly out early Friday morning.